Hello everyone. The topic of the day is landforms formed due to marine erosion. The erosion work of sea wave is limited. Highest point in the crest is the crest of the sea wave, and the lowest limit is generally the depth below the level of sea floor. Below the level and sea floor is not disturbed. The erosional feature formed by sea wave is sea cliff. This is a sea cliff. A sea cliff is a steep, rocky coast rising almost vertically from the above the sea surface. When the sea waves are loaded with fragments and hit the rock, fragments attack against the coastal rocks. The grinding action of the coastal rock creates a notch at the level of the wave action. This notch is widened in due course of time and gradually extends towards the landward side, undermining the overhanging rocks. This is the original rock of the sea face, which has been eroded to this extent, and a straight wall-like structure has been formed, which is the sea cliff. If the rock is strong, almost vertical wall is called a cliff. In India, sea cliffs are found in the western coast. This is a sea cliff in between the ocean. Another feature formed is the sea wave platform or the wave cut platform. A wave cut platform is a bench-like topography. The development of bench cut platform is related to the landward recession of the sea wave. Eroded material due to continuous action of the sea wave is deposited a little away from the shore. This produces a broad wave cut platform and a wave built terrace. This is a wave cut platform or a wave cut terrace. Another erosional feature formed by the sea waves is the sea cave. Sea caves are the common features along the sea coast, formed by gradual erosion done by the sea waves. Sea waves, when they hit over the sea cliff, they erode the softer rocks. The weaker rocks, they are eroded. The joints, due to the action of the waves, are widened into large cavities and hollows. With continuous erosion, these are further and enlarged and a coastal cave develops. On the other side of the cave is the wall of the sea cave. A sea cave generally develops when the overhanging rock is strong enough to stand without much support from below. These are found in the limestone and chalk regions. When a headland is the hard rocks projecting into the sea, is attacked by the sea waves from both the sides. The waves are able to cut through and through. The wall of the sea cave also collides. So the water flows below the arc through the passage, which is called a sea arc. In due course of time, when the work of sea wave continues, the upper part of the arc is eroded, the roof of the arc collapses, then large pillars, two large pillars stand in the seawater, completely detached from the sea cliff face. Over a period of time, due to continuous erosion, one of the stack also gets eroded completely. So a lone pillar stands. This lone pillar is known as the stump. This is the image of a sea arc. These are the stacks when the arc roof falls down. And this is a lone pillar standing, which is known as the stump. That's all for the day. I hope you have found it interesting. Do hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you.